Assalamualaikum and have a good day for everyone. My name is Muhammad Asyraf Bashar bin Amizun. Today, I'm going to present my final year project proposal on the title Prototype Development of a Roof Cleaning Drone, Design and Fabrication. First of all, I want to give my special thanks to my supervisor, Mr. Muhammad Fauzi bin Uthman, and my co-supervisor, Dr. Muhammad Hanif Muhammad Ramli, for guiding me on this project for the entire semester and a year. And also welcome to our panel, Prof. Ahmad Kamil bin Hussain and Insinyur Dr. Nur Azlina binti Muhammad Saleh. First of all, I will explain about my final year project summary. The summary of the project is to integrate the design sprayer system with the existing drone system as a prototype. As the single drone system can control the weight by itself, the integration of the sprayer system with the main existing system surely affect the drone system. This is because the addition of components of the sprayer system such as pump, nozzle, tank, and the supporting frame that increase the weight of the whole system. Therefore, the new payload need to be checked whether the drone can support it or not. Other than that, another component that need to be reviewed when designing the sprayer system is pump. The selection of pump is important, especially when calculating its power and propeller diameter. This is because the pump selection will affect the flow rate of the fluid in the tank, whether the flow rate is within the range of the nozzle design. The match of capacity between the nozzle and the pump is important in the system so that the system may not break down. After that, the wake stability need to be considered when designing the spray drone system. The reason is fluid in the tank always decrease with time. When the water level in the fluid tank is decreased, the center of gravity of the drone will change with time. Therefore, the new PID tuning and algorithm need to be constructed so that the drone can balance its weight on itself. Next, I will proceed with the problem statement and objective. The first problem statement is the sprayer system able to spray enough pressure to clean the roof and also the other component of the spray system. This phase is before the spray system combined with the drone system is the spray system can functioning well. on its own. The next problem statement is, can the sprayer system integrate with the existing drone system? Which means, can the mechanical and electronics parts of both systems integrated and become one system? Okay. The final problem statement is, how far the combination of both systems will affect the flight endurance. Which means, is there any lacking in flight performance at the modified system or the new system? And more importantly, is the effect is bad or a little? If bad, maybe causes the drone cannot be able to fly because too much payload after the combination of the both system. Okay, that's all for the problem statement. And the objective of my final year project is to implement the sprayer system on the existing drone system as well as the new system will functioning as one prototype and will do the task that is to clean the roof. As I explained the main objective of the project, now we go to the sub-objective. There are 6 total of the sub-objective. First is the design aspect of the sprayer system. Second is the payload of the modified drone. Third is the flight endurance of the modified drone. Fourth is the safety of the modified drone. Fifth is the operating parameter selection, including vision, battery, and other. And finally is the predicted condition that might face by the new prototype. Next, we proceed to the scope and limitation of the project. Scope of the project is proper selection of a spray system component. I'm not design the nozzle, but I must select the best nozzle that make my spray system functioning well. Another scope is the integration process between the spray system and the existing drone system. This means that we have to view the connection, the assembly, whether it can match and it can functioning well. Finally, the scope of the project is the effect of the drone operation and condition after being modified, which means we have to conduct some tests to validate and evaluate the performance of the drone after being assembled or modified. Now I will go on the methodology. As you can see, there are three phases of the fabrication process of this project. The first one is the construction of the sprayer system, and the second one is the combination or integrating the sprayer system with the existing drone system, and the final part is the testing and analyzing the performance of the new prototype build, that is roof cleaning drone. Now I will go deep into the expected result. Based on my research, I have found the specification of the drone spraying system based on the component, whether it is a drone component or it is a sprayer component. And finally, I also draw the CAD model of the roof cleaning drone. As you can see, there is isometric view, and there is the front view and the top view also, and the spraying mechanism also is shown here at the bottom left. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Hope the best for the future.